Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to unblock or allow a device on Airtel AirFiber Wi-Fi. Sometimes by mistake, we block our own mobile, laptop stops connecting, smart TV shows no internet. If this is happening to you, don't worry. I will show you how to remove a device from Mac filtering and allow it again step by step. Let's start. You need to unblock a device when your phone is not connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi password is correct, but no internet. Device shows connected but no access. You blocked the device earlier using Mac filter. This happens because the device is still in blacklist. Now let's fix this. First, connect any working device to Airtel AirFiber Wi-Fi. Use mobile or laptop that still has internet. You cannot open router page without Wi-Fi connection. Now open Google Chrome, type in the address bar 192.168.1.1. Press enter, you will see Airtel router login page. If it does not open, check IP address written behind router. Use that IP instead. Enter login details. Usually username and password will be admin. If not working, check router sticker or use details given by Airtel technician. Click login. Now router dashboard will open. Now follow carefully. Go to the security, click on filter. This is the place where devices are blocked. You will see one or more MAC addresses. These are the blocked devices. Find the MAC address of your phone or laptop. You can match it using device name or last digits. Be careful not to remove wrong device. What you can do is from the MAC filter rule index, select the number and click on delete or remove. So I am clicking delete. It will remove the device from the MAC filter blocked list. So here you can see the device is now unblocked and you can connect to Wi-Fi again. Now go to the blocked device, turn Wi-Fi off and on. So I have turned off and on the Wi-Fi on my mobile and I am clicking on refresh this page. And here in the network map, you can see a new device has been unblocked from the Airtel AirFiber Wi-Fi. Here V2027 was blocked before and after removing, you can see it got connected and this was the MAC address which I removed from the security filter option. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share with friends. If you face any issue, comment below and I will reply. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.